Yo, what up? Jeff Samuda here. Today, I'm gonna talk about some sad news. The PC under 69 has passed away sadly, and I'm pretty sad about it. It's been a while, probably a couple weeks, but I've been super busy moving into this new home. As you can see, the background changed a little bit. We finally got our own crib. Took quite a long time, and I haven't had any money to replace any of the parts to continue the series. My kids joining the PC Master Race. All my money lately has been going towards gas and food, pretty much, since we just moved in. I've been hitting up people on Facebook for cheap parts. Either they don't answer or they're too far away and they won't ship, so it kind of sucks right now where I'm at. It's hard to get PC parts, like I said before in my previous video. But yeah, the motherboard died. What happened was, since I didn't have the motherboard in a case, the graphics card was always leaning over, and I'm pretty sure the PCI slot broke. It was working all the way up until the day I got a new case for the under $69 build. I took it apart, assembled it in the case, and it stopped working. So I'm pretty sure the PCI slot was fried on it. Tried putting it back together here a few times. Still won't work. So I do still have a power supply, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and or not the RTX. I wish I had an RTX, but I got a GTX 1650 to throw in the build. So, oh yeah, and I still have the small SSD to put in there. So, yep, that's what I've been doing lately. We moved in this new crib. I'm still planning on doing the series of my kids joining the PC Master Race, but it's just going to take a little bit longer now because all of our money's going towards a new crib. So I'm hyped on that. Yep, quick little update on the PC under $69 build. It's sadly oofed. So I'll come back later with some more vids. I got a couple more ideas of some other videos I can do. And yeah, I'll be back soon. Peace.